Spectrum's ref code S0900 indicates a loss of downstream signal, causing a black screen or error message on your TV. This error occurs when the cable box cannot receive the signal from Spectrum's network. It's crucial to determine if this is an outage affecting your area or an in-home issue with your setup. Outages are provider-side problems like severed cables, impacting multiple customers, while in-home issues stem from faulty equipment such as loose coax cables or a malfunctioning cable box. To check for an outage, use Spectrum's outage map or app. If confirmed, resolution requires Spectrum's intervention. As of October 2025, S0900 errors are prevalent due to aging infrastructure and high demand, especially after weather events or regional outages. Begin troubleshooting by power cycling your cable box and modem. Unplug both for 60 seconds and reconnect. Inspect all coax cable connections, ensuring they are secure and free of kinks. Reboot your network by power cycling your modem, router, and cable box simultaneously. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357 or use the Spectrum app for remote diagnostics. Signal strength is key. Aim for -15 to +15 dB. Avoid using damaged cables or overloading splitters. A common DIY fix involves cleaning corroded coax connectors. Statistics show that 60% of S900 errors are resolved with simple in-home fixes like these. If the problem persists after these steps, a technician visit may be necessary.